Hey folks, I'm just updating everybody on my progress with the DrawText to Texture2D. All right, so what I have here, let's actually import a font first. Let's grab this one here from Windows Fonts folder. Okay, I don't need all of these. I just want one for now. Okay. And I've been playing with 32 size. I don't know if it really matters or not. And default sets. Okay, so that's what it looks like. 256, 256. That's great. And the thing is, you can't actually modify the texture here. So what I found online in one of the forums posts is this make font editable script. And what it does is it it adds a menu entry to make font editable. This here will actually, if I click it, oh, what happened? It says sorry, but you have not selected a font. Oh, right. Okay, I have to highlight it here first, and then come to assets, and then make font editable. And it says edit font, editable font created. But there was a small issue. It says could not be imported because the format is unsupported. But let me see. Oh, there it is. Font format is not supported. Oh, that's weird. Well, it did create the texture. It extracted the material and the texture. So that's enough for us. So I'm gonna delete the material and the text, the actual failed font, and I'm just gonna leave the texture itself. All right, so let's make it read and write enabled. I don't know if I need that since it's already alpha 8. I don't know. Let's enable it for the heck of it. Let's put it to point, and I think that it's 256 by 256. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be bigger than that, right? So I'll hit apply. And that was this script that we're calling from the assets. The test drawing I already applied to these planes here. Okay, so what it's expecting an actual font and a Texture2D. And since we can't read pixels from the actual font texture that's included, I mean we use this script to actually extract this font here to here, this texture, I mean. All right, so now we'll still pass in the actual font itself, the original one, to here, so it can actually read the character details. So let's do that here, and the actual readable texture here. And let me do that really quick to all 4 of these. Okay, that's not too bad. I mean, just 4 of them, right? And some of these have a different speed in frames per second. This is like the slowest one, and then a little bit faster, faster, and faster. All right, so let me save and try running it. And that's what it looks like now. So it's actually drawing this to the texture itself. And each of these actually have the texture created dynamically. It's a texture instance. So that's all for now. I mean, I wouldn't recommend to actually use this as it stands. This is only for testing purposes to see how fast your computer is running. in actual in a runtime game, actual production game, you would actually just draw it once to a separate texture with some kind of transparency or something, and then you would just move around that plane if you wanted to do something, or move the UVs around to actually move the text. But in this example, it's actually it's drawing it from scratch, just a just a just the text, not the grid behind. Yes, yeah, some of it actually it's cached. But anyways, the whole point of this is to actually show you how I'm doing the I guess the draw text onto an actual Texture2D. If you have any comments, improvements, stuff like that, besides using color 32, because I know that I still haven't optimized this at all. But if there's any other suggestions you might like to share, please do so in below. All right, ciao all. Bye bye.